Welcome back to Sleekcraft Sundays. In this episode, we are going to dewinterize this boat. Sarah will be covered in ants.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no, she is covered in ants.
Are you kidding me?
And then we are going to take it for its first maiden voyage of 2021. So in other news, I just ordered the Kusa and it's going to be here next week. No real progress on the SST, but waiting on materials, not much you can do about that. It's coming, but yeah, let's get to it. Alright, it is midsummer and I haven't even been on the water yet other than friggin kayak, which is slow, and Sarah, I think they're cool, so. But anyway, I want to get out on a boat and we need to dewinterize this thing. What I did last fall is I ran it on antifreeze, just RV antifreeze on the muffs, and then that gets the whole system full of antifreeze, and then yeah, I drained the block, drained all the hoses, so if there is any moisture left over in there, it should have been fine. What we have to do now is put in the drain plugs, like charge the batteries, and see what happens. So let's do it, boys. Alright, you can kind of see the drain plug right there. So that's what I'm just going to thread a bolt back into, and then that'll be set. And there's another one on the other side. Alright, good morning. Batteries have been charging all night. They should be good to go. I have the muffs hooked up. I've checked all the hoses, so now we're ready to do a test fire. So let's do it. Okay, so what I forgot to do, which I forget to do every year, is I want to pull the thermostat housing off and just fill the thing with water. That way there's water in the upper part of the system. That way the water pump only needs to get from here to here and it's not fighting against a ton of air. So yeah, I'm gonna rip that thermostat cover off and fill it full of water quick. You awake?
Yep.
All right.
Warm, I'm no longer.
All right, we can go boating. It's ready to go.
All this was in there.
No.
What?
Oh no.
What?
Oh no, she is covered in ants.
Are you kidding me?
No, you're covered in ants.
Get them off of me.
There are ants in my exhaust.
I see them. Oh my god. Okay, first of all,
We are running this. We are running this right now. You don't. No, you'll get rinsed off right now. Just this. What's with the ants?
Get ants.
Do you want ants? because that's how you get ants.
Apparently. Jesus Christ. Okay.
You're covered in ants.
That's gross and not fun. At least they're not biting.
What's with the ants? Are they done? They should be done after that. What a bunch of dicks.
Oh god, they're literally crawling at me. I don't really want to be de-anted on video here.
Yeah, but it'd be funny.
It's gonna be cool. I was like, oh, there's like crud all over me. I thought it was just like bits of dirt. And
That's
like...
what I thought it was, and then they were all moving.
Oh god. And then instead of helping, you pull me over to the camera to record it. Okay, gently, please. Don't spray it too much.
Turn around. Oh my god. There's still so many ants on you.
Well, get them off of me, please.
Look at this. Covered in frickin' ants.
This is what I get for helping you with things. Ah! That's cool. That's very cool. Okay, he's enjoying this too much. Alright, we're done, we're done, we're done, we're done, we're done, you mother.
Alright, Sarah's gonna hold the GoPro at the camera so you can hear how awesome this trailer is.
Oh boy, out the window?
Yeah.
Clang, clang, clang. That's the preview.
So what's today?
July 8th, 17th.
Oh my god, yeah. We're really late this year, mainly because we've been working on the Blue Boat and some other projects. So yeah, this sucks because there's only about 2 or 3 more months of boating left, but we'll try to get it.
Take what we can get, right?
Yeah. I'm definitely taking a vacation, doing another staycation, so we can go boating a lot. That's great. Maybe with a new trailer.
Your worst day on the water, right?
Yeah.
Still a pretty great day.
Don't want to pull a Kevin Moore.
Okay, here's the really fun process of launching this boat because we don't have a winch. So I am in the water. Go, and we're free. That beautiful trailer.
fast does this boat go?
Plenty fast.
How fast?
60, right? What's the top speed that we got?
We got to 63 once. Well, a few times, but yeah.
That's plenty.
The blue boat will go, I'm thinking, definitely over 70. If it doesn't go over 70, it's gonna be like, something's wrong with it. But it should probably go around 80.
Can and should are different things.
But it's gonna be smoother than this boat because this boat, all the weight is right here in front of the transom. So you have this big cast iron block. When you move to an outboard, you move the weight behind the transom, which helps the boat get out of the water more. And outboards have superior power to weight ratio, which is why the people who are like anti-Honda Civics, I don't get it, because the people who are into really high performance like outboards, they're all like, oh, power to weight, yeah, you make a lot of power, a little weight, you go really fast, you fly, you don't have much mass, it's great. But then when they transfer over to the automotive realm, they immediately go to this super conservative, gotta have a Camaro and a big V8, leaf springs, and it's like,
Hey.
No.
No. It's not with the mocking people.
I'm sorry, I think it's funny. Big giant V8s are also fun.
I was gonna say, I mean, we're sitting here as you're talking a little trash, man.
All I am saying is that the overall mentality of low mass and going fast with a smaller displacement engine is very akin to the high performance outboard marine segment. And those dudes, when they go onto asphalt, they completely change their tune and go to big displacement muscle, and I don't get it. Because if you think about the mentality to going fast, it is completely at opposite ends. So, Civics are cool.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Yeah, thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Okay, so I am floating here so that Rob can finally get some footage of his boat in the water from the water. Hopefully I don't get run over by a jet ski or something.
All right, that's it. We got it out on the water. It's working. I don't know. Weren't really any issues. I mean, but yeah, these things are pretty simple. I mean, once you get them dialed in 10 years, I mean, non-boaters always say, bust out another 1,000. But in 10 years, I've needed a fuel pump, which was $23. Yeah, it was a beautiful day on the water, beautiful partner, and I think we are going to cover this thing up and uncover the SST to start working on it for next week's video. The Kusa board will be here soon, so we got a lot of materials that are going to be showing up, and then we'll get more into the fabrication of that boat. I think right now we want to get out of here because Sarah just got a new mountain bike, so we're going to do a new video series called Sarah's Learning How to Mountain Bike. No, we're not doing that, but if she crashes, it's totally going to be on YouTube for sure.
Yeah, that's fair.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Cheers, guys. Till next time. Ow!